Managing money wisely is important for a secure and stress-free life. Many people make mistakes with their finances that cause problems later. In this video, you will learn how to avoid some common financial pitfalls and keep your money safe. Create and stick to a budget. One of the biggest mistakes is not having a budget. A budget helps you see how much money you earn and how much you spend. It shows where your money goes. Without a budget, you might spend more than you earn. To avoid this, write down your income and all your expenses. Make sure your expenses are less than your income. Track your spending every month and adjust your budget if needed. This simple step helps you control your money better. Avoid high-interest debt. Credit cards and loans can be helpful, but they can also cause big problems if not used carefully. High-interest debt grows quickly and can be hard to pay off. Try not to use credit cards for things you cannot pay off immediately. If you have loans or credit card debt, focus on paying them off as soon as possible. Avoid borrowing more money just to pay old debts. This will save you money and interest and keep you out of a debt trap. Save for emergencies. Unexpected expenses can happen anytime. Without savings, you might need to borrow money or use credit cards, which causes more problems. Build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small if you need to and add to your savings regularly. Having this safety net gives you peace of mind and protects you from financial emergencies. Spend wisely. Impulse buying and spending on things you do not need can drain your money quickly. Before buying something, ask yourself if it is necessary and if you can afford it. Make a list before shopping and stick to it. Look for discounts or cheaper alternatives. Avoid buying things just because they are on sale if you don't really need them. Small savings add up over time. Plan for the future. Thinking about the future is important. Save money for retirement, education, or big goals like buying a house. Start saving early even if it is a small amount. The earlier you save, the more your money grows because of interest. Use simple savings accounts or retirement plans. Planning ahead helps you avoid financial problems later in life. Summary. To avoid common financial pitfalls, make and follow a budget. Avoid high-interest debt. Save for emergencies. Spend carefully. Plan for the future. By following these simple steps, you can build a strong financial foundation and avoid stress about money. Start today and take control of your finances for a better tomorrow.